1K a day by May. It's a big goal, huh? Well, it's gonna happen. You know why? Because you can't start the next chapter of life if you keep rereading the old one. Who is this guy? This is Merlin Holmes, owner of the 1K a day fast track system. He's teaching me right now how to make $1,000 a day. I've already made my first $1,000 in one day. This is a political market ad. It's a one question. Now, politics I could care less about. All I care about is whether they put a yes or a no, and it doesn't matter what they say. We live in the money matrix, and this money matrix is easy to figure out once you have the tools. The first step you want to make is find out what people are already buying, find a market and product where people are already making money, and then find out how they're selling the product. Step 3, write down the headline that's working. Step 4, turn the headline into a simple, curious question. How one woman discovered the female fat loss code missed by modern medicine and blah, blah, blah. Turn it into a question. Would you like to discover the female fat loss code missed by modern medicine, blah, 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 question mark? 5, use the list building poll template to bring in email addresses like wildfire. Now, Merlin has done all of this for you. All you have to do is follow the system. Unless you want to do it yourself, you can. How well does it work? Look at those numbers. Every network marketer and online marketer would love 68% opt-in rate, when most of the time they're getting 3. What markets does this work for? Basically everything. You pick it, it works. Political market ad? Who cares? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is if you get an answer. Do you think you can do this? It's very simple, guys. Do you think you can do it? Go to the1questionsurvey.com. You want to find out how to be successful in life? Do the opposite of what everyone else is doing. Always. Secret number 2, get paid. How to get paid to build your email list and then get paid for years after. That's the secret. Email marketing over? No, it's not even close. People who lose didn't follow the right steps, they followed the wrong steps. Wrong step 1, you have to write a book or some type of content and give it to people in exchange for their email address. Wrong. You have to create a high converting opt-in page with great sales copy. Wrong. You have to send dozens of emails to get your list to trust you before you can sell them anything and make any money. Wrong. All 3 of those statements by so-called gurus, wrong. The fast track system. Step 1, capture an email address using your new poll page. It doesn't matter what it is. You find the product. You find out what that product is saying up front for the headline. Write a poll. System step 1, capture an email address using your poll. Step 2, instantly offer your new subscriber the product they've already expressed interest in. So as soon as they hit yes or no, they get this page. Thank you. We're adding your vote. People love to know what other people are thinking. That's why they give you an email address. Step 1, capture an email address using your new poll page. Step 2, instantly offer what they want. And 3, earn instant commissions at the same time that you're building your list. Instant commissions? Yeah, absolutely. Because as soon as they hit that page, they go to what they want and they buy it. And you get a commission. When they hit order, you get paid. Some of these products are 50 to 75% commission rate. Some of these products cost from $20 to $2,000. We'll show you the products that make the most money. And all you got to do is set it up. But that's only the start. The biggest key to all of this and earning money as quickly as possible is your new list. You've ever heard the fortune is in the list? Yes, it's in the list. People check their emails all the time. And every email you send out is completely automated and acts as your virtual salesperson. You don't have to write the copy. You don't have to do any of that. Now, if you want to, you can. But why do it when somebody can do it for you? Secret number 3, hidden traffic gold mines. How to bring in 500 to 1,000 or more new email addresses per day without lining Facebook and Google's pockets. Stop giving money to Facebook and Google before you're making a lot of money. Imagine what your income would look like if this literally happened every month. Your subscriber count went from 10,000 to 20,000 to 50,000 to 100,000 and over and over. And all you have to do is send them a poll. And they answer yes or no, then you send them what they like. It's really that simple, folks. It doesn't get any harder than that. Buying traffic is hard and expensive, right? Wrong. Absolutely not. Don't go broke trying to get rich. Quit spending so much money on ads that you don't have to pay for. There's other ways to do that. There's a better, easier way. Here's just one example. Rev Content. Ever heard of them? I'm sure you probably haven't. Some of the big time so-called gurus know though, because with Rev Content, you get that on this particular option here, we have 34,276 clicks, 12,000 conversions, 0.261% click-through rate, average cost per click 28 cents. How do you write the ad? It's easy. It's right there for you. Okay? We show you exactly what to put in there. Are you getting how easy this is? It's very simple. Find the best possible offer, create a compelling poll, get paid to build your email list, make money for years from your email list. Because these are people who have bought from you. Okay? And then you just rinse and repeat. Find another offer, create a compelling poll, get paid. So you got 2 choices. You can do it all on your own, which I did for a lot of years trying to figure out how to do it on my own. Or you can let Merlin do it for you. A few conditions. You must follow the system. You must agree to run an ethical business. You must work with the vetted vendors that Merlin gives you. This is a limited opportunity, and he reserves the right to deny access to anyone who does not follow the rules. Is that difficult? No, that's simple. Create an automated list building income machine, a proven system to build massive email lists and make at least $1,000 per day using nothing but simple online polls and email. Now there's a money back guarantee, of course. Sign up for 1K a day fast track today, and if you don't like it for any reason, they give you back a full refund anytime in the next 30 days. Even if it's 29 days, 23 hours, and 59 minutes, you get a 100% refund. It's the best business ever, period. If you use everything that they give you, follow every step, which I've already done, and within the next 90 days you haven't made any money, Merlin will jump on a call with you personally and fix your business right there with you on the phone. It's the best business ever, guys. For people like me who've done a lot of this stuff before, this is a breath of fresh air. For people who've never done it before at all, you're going to lose your mind when you see how easy this is. You have to make a choice, folks. If you want something you've never had, then you've got to do something you've never done. A lot of this stuff I've already done before, but I never did it in this way. So now the best business ever is right in my hands. It's the easiest thing I've ever done, and every week I can't wait till I get my next set of lessons. It's amazing. It doesn't cost every week. It's a one-time payment. So my goal of 1K a day by May is not only doable, I'm already on the way of doing it. I've already made my first 1K a day. And it took me, 48 hours? Come on, guys. Don't waste time on this one. This is it. And I've done it all. This is it. This guy is why. Merlin Holmes, owner of the 1K a day fast track system. So if you want Merlin to hand you a stack of hundreds or a stack of 20s or a stack of 50s, get registered now. Is it possible? Absolutely. Go to the onequestionsurvey.com.